Now that you know some of the basic required tags for an HTML document, let's go ahead and create a boilerplate or a file that we can use to start the rest of our web pages. In a new document in your text editor, on the first line, type the less than sign, exclamation point, and then doc type in all caps, followed by a space in HTML, and then the greater than sign. After that, we'll type HTML to start our HTML document, tab over, and then write head. We're going to include two different tags in the head. The first is going to be the title tag, which we will call HTML boilerplate. And then we'll close our title tag. And then we'll add a meta tag. So we'll write meta, we'll add the attribute name equals author, and then value. And for the value, write your name. I'm also going to add a / at the end of the meta tag. This isn't strictly required, but I like to add it for tags that don't require a separate closing tag. After that, we'll close our head. We'll start our body. And then we'll leave a space here. And we will close our body. In between the body tags, you could add a comment like content goes here if you want. And then finally, we'll close our HTML tag. With that, let's go ahead and save this. We'll save it in our website folder, and we'll call it boilerplate.html. And now you'll notice if you're using a code editor, most likely, like VS Code, that your markup is colored. And so the editor will color these different components in the code to help you distinguish tags from attributes, values, comments, and more. This is called syntax highlighting. And now we're ready to go. We've got our boilerplate set and we're ready to start making web pages.